I love Manchester. I really do love Manchester, and nobody's going to stop me from loving Manchester because it's such an amazing city. Oh, it's me, the gay Igbo man who is juicy, glowy, moisturized, hydrated and unbothered, divinely protected and protected by my ancestors, doing what needs to be done. I have a busy day. I have a viewing to do as well, but I want to go to the gym and get a quick workout. So come, let's go. My face cream finished yesterday. I used one in the morning and I did not use face cream at night. I felt so bad. And then when I was speaking to my man over the phone, I said to him, oh, my face cream finished. He was like, so the world has ended. That man loves to make fun when it comes to my skincare products. So we're going to go to Boots after our workout to get some skincare. Look at Manchester weather. The weather is nice today. I love it. Really nice weather today. Anyway, I'm going to do maybe an hour, 30 minutes at the gym because my appointment is at 2:30 and I don't want to be late. Oh my days, I hope my lips is not as dry. I can't see myself that much. I have done all the things. Actually, I went for a viewing and I liked the place. So let's see what happens. I went into Boots, got myself face cream because my face cream is finished. Got foot cream. I got the one from Boots, the coconut oil foot cream and disposable face towels. I'm not gonna lie. I'm tired of using all these face towels that you don't even know what's up. I have decided to walk back home instead. That's my quick run around this morning. I had a good workout. Anywho, thank you so much for watching. If you have watched up until here, let us know what you think in the comment section. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.